Greek Fest, Greek Fest, Greek Fest. Are you excited?
Yeah.
Ethan,
Yeah.
do something Greek.
This shirt I'm wearing is Greek.
Let me see. Oh, okay. No, it's not.
This is European. This is real Europe shit. I bought this in Cyprus.
Hmm.
This is like fancy in Cyprus.
Okay.
Like very fancy. Like this is like pretty fancy in Cyprus. This Emporio Romano.
Greek Fest. I have to pee again.
You just paid.
I know.
Is it still hot out?
Yes. It's like 80 something. Ethan, we're almost there.
What?
We're almost there. Greek Fest. I think you do have to pay.
It's like the law.
No, I think you have to pay. Because it said entrance. Okay guys, we got the wristband. That means we can get fucked up. I think this is like literally, this is literally a church event, right?
No, we didn't get outside.
Okay.
Look, they have evil eyes.
I feel like we're
They-
intruding.
no, they
I feel like we're
Evil Eyes.
intruding. Okay, you're right.
Yeah.
If you're selling Evil Eyes, it's not that religious, right?
My grandma
Not that
hates
we-
Evil Eyes.
Oh, she hates them? Why?
No, because it's not part of the religion.
Oh.
Yeah.
Well, they're selling them here. Oh my god, okay, cute. Ooh, can we get all the food?
Hi, fatty.
Okay, let's start straight for there. Ethan, do you feel like you're at home? Do you feel like you're at home?
The music, yeah.
That's what I mean. Okay guys, we just got a Greek feast.
They got kids working here.
I know. I sent him to go get the beer. Okay, what is this?
This is Poseidon Punch.
Poseidon Punch.
This
Okay.
is some Greek beer. I don't know.
Okay,
It's
let's
not
see.
Cypriot. I don't know.
It's not Cypriot?
It's Greece.
No, it's actually good. Try it. Can I try your beer? Okay, now what is this? Can you say the word again? Spag.
No, it's not Spain. It's
Saganaki?
Saganaki.
Okay. And then Euro. And then
Souvlaki.
this, yeah. No, because you didn't want to spend this much money, but like we're already here. You know? Okay, can I try? That looks really good.
This is really good.
Okay, I want to try it. Is this just fried cheese? Oh my god, that's so good. Ooh, I look like a monster. I look like a Labubu. Oh. Okay, big back. Is it good? Come try it. This is genuinely like the best chicken I've ever fucking had. Why is it so good? Wait, what? Yeah, it is. It's a chicken plate. That's so good. It genuinely said chicken. It's really good. Woo! Whatever the fuck this cheese is, I want it in all of my bowls.
I don't know. They don't do that in Cyprus.
It's so good.
I've never had that before.
Okay, let's see. The meat is so good. I'm not drunk. Honestly, this kebab thing that we already ate was my favorite. You?
Yeah.
That thing was fucking insane. These people know how to cook. We ate so much food already. But I'm already thinking about the bakery they have inside. That's the scary part. Do you want some rice? So this is a church. Wow. Where do they get these people from? Like, is the church Greek?
All the people working go to church here. Guaranteed.
Really?
Guaranteed.
Wow. That's so cool. I wish I had like something like that.
You know you can't charge money for a street event?
Really? Oh.
But
That's why they don't charge us to get in.
no. But they have a donation. But that's why I paid the kid. I'd rather the kid get it than the
Yeah.
church.
You gave him all. How many singles did you give him?
At least $5.
Good. He was like 13.
I'd rather have
He needs it.
I'd rather him go buy like fucking Skittles than like the church have money.
Yeah. I know, they were asking for donations at the door and we just walked past it.
You're supposed to charge like white people to get it.
Right.
Not me.
Right.
I'm spending money.
And I'm your girlfriend, so. You're Greek. No. Cypriot. Isn't that the same? Like, can't you say that interchangeably?
No.
Oh, really?
Cypriots are great.
That's what I mean. But Greeks aren't Cypriots.
Not necessarily.
But all Cypriots are Greek, but not all Greeks are Cypriot.
Should be that easy, but some Cypriots are actually Turkish.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh, because they like took your shit.
There's like Greek Cypriots and Greek Turkish, but we're all the same, really. At the end of the day. We're all like Middle Eastern.
Amen. Oh, that guy has a shovel, shoveling coal into the thing. That's crazy. Right.
Where's the wind?
So you leave the house and you're watching the League of Legends tournament.
It's a big deal.
Right.
Can you tell who's winning? Like, they play like best of 5 matches. Who won the last match? I can't even tell.
Dance, dance. Shake those cheeks. Sunday. Ethan got me this. Wait, can you say it again?
Gala Roburoto.
And what is it?
Like some sort of like custard croissant thing.
I'm gonna have to try it later because I'm gonna throw up. Ethan, you forgot your coffee. How much you want to bet I have a bug in
Just
my hand?
open it.
How much you want to bet
Let
I
me
have a
see
bug
it.
in my hand? Don't
Let
get
me
me.
see it.
How much you want to bet?
Let me see it. Oh
Where'd
yeah,
it
it
go?
fell. You killed it.
I told you I have.